Hey guys, Uniqueness Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be starting off with two round glass candle holders that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'll be gluing these two glasses together with a strong adhesive and a hot glue gun. I'm also going to be making use of the mirrors that they sell at the Dollar Tree. This is a leftover from an old project, and I'll be cutting out a shape that I need for the project. Because I don't want the glasses to lay flat when they're glued to the mirrors, I just cut out this shape, and then I'm going to carve out something that I know the glasses can actually sit on while they're glued to the mirror. I'm going to be adding two other mirrors from the Dollar Tree to this. I'll be attaching these mirrors together with a thin wooden strip. I decided to just add two more mirrors at both ends, and these are mirrors that I already have at home. Now I'm going to be carving out the wood to fit the mirrors. I'll be attaching a hook at the back here to mount it on the wall. Because the wooden strip is too thin, I'll be attaching another piece, a small piece, just so that it will be thick enough for the screw. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach the mirrors to the wood piece with a strong adhesive and a hot glue gun. Now I'm also going to go ahead and add a strong adhesive to the open part that's on the mirror that I had already glued a light board to it. And this is so that the glasses that I glued together can actually have themselves balanced on the mirror. I'm going to go ahead now and cover the middle part with acrylic gems. I'm gonna leave this to set overnight before I can mount it on the wall. For the second design, I basically just glued the same glass candle holders together and glued it on something different. And this is what I'll be using for the second design. And these come in gold and silver, and they're sold at the Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be using glitter sheet that I got from Hobby Lobby and cutting out just what I need and attaching it in the middle using a strong adhesive and a hot glue gun. I'll turn this to the back and make a provision for hanging. I'll be making little openings where I know the glass is going to meet the surface so that when I apply the strong adhesive and the hot glue gun, it would actually be thick enough to hold the glass. I used the design here and repeated the same thing using beads on the inside. Now all I did was to use remote control push lights and attach them inside the glasses and mounted it on the wall. This is how the first DIY turned out, and when it's on the wall, it looks like this. For the second design, because the push lights were showing, I had to use glue lines on the glasses, and when the hot glue was dry, I painted over it with acrylic paint. This is just one of the ways that you can cover the middle part. Now you can use all kinds of embellishments to cover the middle part and it would still look pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.